Multiple choice question and mobile computer. Number 1. A device that combines the feature of a laptop and a tablet is called a smartwatch, mainframe computer, desktop computer, or two-in-one convertible laptop. Which one is correct answer? A device that combines the features of a laptop and a tablet is called a smartwatch, or mainframe computer, a desktop computer, or two-in-one convertible laptop. Correct answer is two-in-one convertible laptop, a device that combines the features of a laptop and a tablet. Next question. Which mobile computer is commonly worn on the wrist? Tablet, smartwatch, smartphone, laptop. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is smartwatch. Next question. Which of the following is an example of a mobile computing device? Apple iPhone, Samsung Galaxy Tab, Dell XPS laptop, and all of the above. Which one is correct answer? All of the above are the example of a mobile computing device. Next question. Which mobile computing device is commonly used in cars for navigation? Handheld gaming console, GPS device, smartwatch, or desktop computer? The correct answer is GPS device. GPS device is commonly used in cars for navigation. Next, which of the following is not an example of a mobile computer? IBM mainframe, Apple MacBook, Lenovo ThinkPad laptop, Microsoft Surface Pro. Which one is not an example of a mobile computer? The correct answer is A. IBM mainframe is not an example of a mobile computer. Next question. A tablet computer typically has which of the following features? Option A, no battery power. Option B, unwired internet access. Option C, physical keyboard only. Option D, large screen with touchscreen capability. Which option is a feature typically a tablet computer has? The correct answer is D. Large screen with touchscreen capability is a feature. Typically, a tablet computer has this feature. Next question. In which field are mobile computers not commonly used? Option A, healthcare. Option B, education. Option C, space exploration. Option D, none of the above. In which field mobile computers are not commonly used? The correct answer is none of the above. Usually, mobile computers are not commonly used in healthcare, education, or space exploration. So the correct answer is D, none of the above. Next question. How do mobile computers benefit healthcare? Option A, they increase the size of medical records. Option B, they are only used for entertainment. Option C, they help in patient monitoring and telemedicine. Option D, they replace doctors in hospital. Which one is correct answer? How do mobile computers benefit healthcare? Option C is the correct answer. They help in patient monitoring and telemedicine, and that is how mobile computers benefit healthcare. Next question. Which mobile computing application is widely used for online shopping? A, GPS tracking. B, e-commerce apps. C, augmented reality. D, file compression software. Which one is the correct answer? Which mobile computing application is widely used for online shopping? The correct answer is e-commerce apps. E-commerce apps is a mobile application which is widely used for online shopping. Last question of this episode. Which mobile computer is most commonly used for social media applications? Option A, smartphones. Option B, supercomputers. Option C, gaming consoles. Option D, servers. Which option is correct? Smartphones. Smartphones usually are used in social media applications. That's the end of this episode. Thank you very much.